Um, Hi, I am Medicine Cura, 44 years old, a single mom. I am a caregiving student of Actec Caloocan, St. Camillus. Um, I graduated from Bulacan Polytechnic College in the Computer Secretarial course in 2001. When I was in high school, I graduated from Dampol First High School, Plaridel, Bulacan, year 1996. Previously, I finished my work as a quality assurance in Taiwan since 2012 to June 2024. Right now, my focus is to take care of the elderly because their family are busy in their work, so they are losing time to take care of their parents. Um, if if there is an opportunity to work here in the Philippines, I will stay here. If I want to go home to visit my family, um, I can do it more easily, unlike in the other country away from my family. That's all. Thank you.